In this video, we will show you how to find duplicate files in Windows 11. Find duplicate files in Windows 11. Sometimes it's important if our disk space is needed the free storage. In here, to find duplicate files in Windows 11, we need to using third-party application that we can install from Microsoft Store. We put this link into the comment, so you can go to comment section if you want to get this application. Just open this link. Okay, I will paste this link, and you can see you will have duplicate file finder. It's very useful if you want to find the duplicate files from folder, drive, or your profile like My Documents or etc. Just click download to start installing the duplicate file finder, and make sure you don't disable the Windows Update to prevent the installation error. After you download the file, you can just click open the file, and the installer will install the application. In this case, I already installed the software, so the software checking the for update. After the checking the update or install done, you can just click open the software. Okay, I will close this browser, and to easier open the software, you can just type duplicate file finder, and you can pin to start, for example. So you will see the duplicate file finder on your start menu here, so you can open anytime for easier look like this. In here, there are three options to find duplicate files. Your profile is content, document, desktop, download music, pictures, and videos, or select drive like C, D, E, or etc. Or you can select specific folder here. This is the free version but powerful. If you want to get more powerful, you can just click this advanced filter, and there is include file types, exclude, or include file size. You can using this filter if you buy the premium version, but I think this is enough if you want to just find the duplicate files, because the free version is very powerful here. Okay, for example, let's using our profile like desktop, document, download music, picture, and videos. We click this, and the duplicate file finder will find automatically like this. Okay, you can see there are many duplicate files here. We can try to reopen. Okay, so in File Explorer, and you will see the file that duplicate here. And for example, you can go to documents. There are also existing this picture. You can see if I open the document. Okay, I'm putting files here to see the software detect or not. Okay, so the software is detect powerfully like this. Okay, we will execute the delete later. Okay, in here, let's see if we using another option. We can go to back to start and select folder. For example, in here we select user. Okay, maybe if you have the bigger storage, the process is longer, so I suggest you to identify which location maybe exists the duplicate file, so you don't need to scan the entire storage of your drive. Okay, you can see there are many file in here, found more than 1000 duplicate files, and the size is more than 1 gigabytes. Okay, how to delete and keep the ones, for example, in here, because for safe we can try to delete from these documents. Okay, just for example, okay, you can see there is a photo with Bill Gates. Okay, and the second also have the Bill Gates. We can remove one and let one is exist. Okay, so to remove or to unselect, you can just click this, and auto select, you can just select all this. You can see there The program automatically is letting one to exist, so the duplicate will delete it. And to delete, we can just click this button options. Just click this. Now you can see there, delete for files. Okay, and we can click delete now. Now there is complete duplicate file finder, and you can easily find the duplicate files in Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.